Hey guys, obviously it's Karen. I figured since I feel like crap, and I look like crap, and my voice sucks, we might as well create a look to go with my awful sounding voice. So I was watching a video, I was watching Grace's, and I will link her information below, and she did a tutorial that I'm going to recreate. You ready to get started? I'm going to use the Jamescharlesminipalette palette.
But my brain tells me I've been here before. Don't wanna draw any attention to all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out. Life is but a dream. This can't be happening. I'm not sure who's the one making the decisions. Wake up, scream. I'm in a twisted reality. sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control of this paradise with honesty, but in the dead of the night, teardrops on the floor. The pain is over, feel the darkness take control. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my walking in the I can almost feel you.
My white eyeliner, so I've got to improvise.
That is not reality. Pacing back and forth, oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Though I've tried, I just keep falling all over again. And our hands are tight, can't fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again? Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. You got me lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are.
Thank you so much for joining me for this crazy video. This is my attempt at being scary. Did it work? You tell me. Can you do better? Probably. I don't know. Anyhow, this was inspired by Grace Gillespie. I will put her information down below. Mine obviously looks a little bit different than hers because I have a different way of doing things. But with what I had to work with, the Jamescharlesminipalette, Morphe foundation, Kat Von D setting powder, this is what I came up with. If you did like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe. Go ahead. It's the little button on the corner. It's red, you turn it, and if it's gray, that means that you're part of my family already. And if it's red, it means you want to become a part of my family. So just click it, click it, click it. Turn on your bell notifications, and I will see you in the next video. And hopefully, this voice will be gone. Mwah.